In a wig world full of blondes and reds and fashion colors, sometimes it's a struggle to find just the right grade. The featured wig styles today were sent to me for a previous review. I'm pulling them from my collection now to give you a look. You can find them at Wig Studio One. If you drop below this video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see the colors and the pricing and more detail on each one of these styles. I also have reviews out there on this one. I'll also attach below. And so many of you out there that wear gray or silver on a regular basis don't necessarily want a root. At least that's what I'm hearing out there. So today let's talk about it. I have 4 unrooted gray shades to show you from 2 different brands. The first one we're going to take a look at is the Wig Pro Element style in the color 92. So the color code 92 doesn't sound too exciting, does it? I assure you there's a lot going on with this gray shade. It's more of a graduated color appearance here in application. And you're going to see a combination of some darker brown, some darker gray, and then a light gray, and maybe eventually even some white up front. So you see that it's light and it gradually gets a little bit darker as you move back through the style. I think this is a great choice for you if you like a very dynamic gray silver, but you don't want a root. Ellen is a cute little short shag style that features a lace front, so you can always move that away from the face and show off some of that light silver highlight there. It's a nice natural look from the front. Wig Pro did a really nice job on this gray. So let's move on to our next unrooted gray shade. This next unrooted gray shade is also a color code 92, but it's called Moonlight. It is by Jon Renault, featured on the style Evan, and Moonlight is a part of their gorgeous grays collection that was just released. Oh gosh, I want to say winter of 2023 or fall of 2022, I'm not sure, but isn't it beautiful? Much like the 92 presentation by Wig Pro, it's a graduated gray color featuring a lot of dynamic layered colors. So in the back, you're going to see more of like a 1B shade, and that's sprinkled in with some light gray that carries through to the front. So it's gradually getting more dark in appearance as you move back through the style. So again, a darker color at the nape and back, and at the front, the very pale, light, pearlish gray color. This is a really cute popular pixie by Jon Renault called Evan, and it features a lace front, a little bit of a monofilament crown. So just like that Ellen that I presented, you can certainly bring it up and away from the face and just really be fashionable in your grays. Not fashion color, but just up to date. It looks rich, it looks beautiful and well kept, doesn't it? This is Moonlight by Jon Renault. Next up, another gorgeous gray by Jon Renault. This is called Peppercorn, which is a 1B60. A dark, almost black in color, and then that's going to be sort of salted with a little bit of white here and there. You can see these little bits of white right around, especially around the front, but they are scattered throughout the style. It doesn't give you a fashion-y skunk look where you've got a stripe going on. Some people actually gray like that. I think it's really striking. But this is generally just dispersed all the way around. It's a very dark color, so I can imagine that you're more like a Linda Carter black, 1B, and then you start to go gray just a little bit at a time. So this is very subtle. This white is very subtle, but you definitely can pick up on it. That's why it's called a gorgeous gray by Jon Renault. This is on the style Scarlet. So Jon Renault's Scarlet in the color Peppercorn, which is 1B60. Scarlet features a lace front and open cap. Lots of these beachy waves. I am so happy when I see some amazing gray colors come out in some fun curly or wavy styles. So often that's not the case. And if you are a gray lover, I think you'll appreciate some of the diversity that you're going to find, because these colors are actually available on a lot of different styles. Be sure to check them out. So let's move on to our final unrooted gray. This is Jon Renault Kristen in the color Mist, 395160, I think. So this is my favorite of all of them, I think. And especially beautiful on this Kristen style. It's a short little straight polished bob. You can never go wrong with this one. So I describe this color as starting with a very watery, pale, almost translucent, light brown or dark blonde. And then in there you're going to see some light silver colors and also some pearly kind of white, which is almost looks toned. I really love this color because it does appear to be more neutral, getting away from some of the blue-based grays that are very, very cool. They're inserting just a little bit of neutral appeal here. I think this would be suitable for those of you that like those really cool grays, but also maybe just want a little hint of warmth throughout. Again, not rooted, but very, very dynamic. Don't you just love it on Kristen? Kristen has a lace front open cap. Just a very, very classy look, don't you think? Because I am a blonde, and because I am a blonde, and because I love wearing blondes, if I decided to go gray, this would definitely be one that I would consider, just because I think it is more on the neutral side. It doesn't have any of those harsh, darker colors. So what do you think? What is your favorite unrooted gray? Are you a fan of unrooted grays? And would you like to see more? Let me know in the comments below. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right here at TAZS Wig Closet.